Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. Today, we're taking a look at sous vides and answering the important question: is it worth it? Sous vides are one of the hottest new cooking utensils. They're currently popular amongst Michelin-starred chefs and home cooks alike, generating a lot of intrigue around this relatively unique but simple piece of cookware. We put the Chef Steps sous vide to the test, crafting a few different delicious ingredients to see if this fancy kitchen accessory lived up to its price tag. Sous vides are special cooking devices that cook your food to exactly the desired temperature, leading to a foolproof, perfect result every time. Unlike simply boiling water, sous vides aim to keep all the water in a container at a constant temperature, allowing your food to cook uniformly from all sides. The food is cooked inside of a bag submerged in water, which you fill with any spices or flavors you wish to infuse. The Chef Steps sous vide really excels in its ease of use. It has a magnetic base and clip, allowing it to fit virtually any pot or cooking container. We decided to cook a few things in the sous vide and see exactly how they would turn out. For this particular experiment, we cooked some steak and an Eggs Benedict recipe to add some variety. The steak took a few hours to cook, but just as promised, when it was cut open, the meat was cooked thoroughly and evenly through. To control the joule, you need its accompanying app, which is really beautiful. From the app, you can tailor the exact temperature and set up a timer alert so you know exactly when your food will be done. The app also provides you access to Chef Steps' wide database of recipes, giving you some cooking inspiration if you happen to be running dry. The app integration on this particular sous vide model isn't typical for all sous vides, and in fact, may bother some users who prefer to do it manually. The app itself runs smoothly, but requires more setup than other sous vides, like the Innova one. The convenience of the Chef Steps Joule boils down to its timer. Its in-app temperature monitor gives you up-to-date temperature reads down to the decimal point. You don't ever have to worry about over or undercooking your meat. One cautionary note: once cooking the steak, we noticed it appeared raw. While it was cooked completely evenly, it didn't have any searing on the outside since it didn't have any contact with the hot surface. Luckily, we happen to have a culinary torch on hand to do some of the final touches ourselves. Something to keep in mind with sous vide is that if you still want your meals with a nice seared exterior, you will have to do that after the sous vide cooks it. The Eggs Benedict cooked incredibly quickly, and though we were dealing with a little more of a viscous substance, they turned out delicious. The best part about cooking Eggs Benedict was the ability to sous vide the hollandaise alongside the eggs in the same container. It saved a lot of time. If you're looking to make good, high-quality eggs in a pinch, the sous vide is the way to go. These were just a couple of things you can cook with the sous vide, but there are many other dishes and sides, like mashed potatoes, fish, veggies, and even a turkey. One of the benefits to using a sous vide is the ability to add your flavors in with your ingredients. You really get the sense that your meat has been infused with whatever herb you end up cooking with. We enjoyed the creativity that such a simple device could offer. Overall, the machine is relatively easy to use, invites culinary creativity, and can help with a host of different meals. But in general, they are fairly expensive. This Chef Steps Joule goes for the price of $1.99 and requires app interaction to use it. Was it that much more advanced than other models, which can retail as much as $50 cheaper? We'd say, if you plan on making the sous vide a staple accessory in your kitchen, then it's a worthy investment. But if you're simply curious in this fancy piece of culinary tech, there are other models that won't force you to break the bank. Thanks again, guys. Be sure to check us out online at BestReviews.com, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/BestReviews. See you later.